Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is basketball big pack. Here is basket flare, basketball Instagram pack, basketball logo, photo stock, Victors, and last is a uniform. But these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and by now for lifetime iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So here is basketball in 3.98 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. Here is a PSD file. You can add it in Photoshop, for example. Open and see in layer area. Here is light, here is the element, model image, background, lights, and finally is text. You can write anything. Okay, these are CMYK color, that's mean you can print these files. Here is A4 and letter size. Here is a label, info, and last is background, orange name. You can change everything. Total flare is 26. Here is a landscape, here is a portrait. Next is Instagram pack. Here is some templates of basketball, Washington white. Okay, here is a logo, a PSAI file for Adobe Illustrator. You can edit in Illustrator, CS4. Okay, and here is basketball photo stock. Total file is 73, full high definition. Here is a, I think, PNG file. Amazing. Next is Victor file for Adobe Illustrator. You can add it in Illustrator. Last is mockup for Photoshop. Pair your own design or change anything. I hope these packs are useful for you. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, you write Sheri SK, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care, love.